Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'd like to show you video tutorial number 16 on the Sieveking piano technique, and this is a diminished seventh exercise that he wrote, and it's a very good one. Diminished sevenths are all minor thirds, so if you think that's one of them, it's another one, that's another one. Sounds dead. That's a diminished seventh sound. And the left hand puts your thumb on that A and goes down from there. So the left hand is. And the basic idea of the exercise is to repeat 4 times thumb, thumb 2, thumb 3, thumb 4, thumb 5, thumb 4, thumb 3, thumb 2. So, and try to feel that you're arming every key with your full dead weight, and that loose wrist that's so movable, it'd be like your lungs, it's so movable up and down. So, and if it hurts your hand at all, you're doing it wrong, don't do it. Up a semitone. So you're on your thumb. And so on, right up to. Now coming down is the 5th finger, so 5, 5, 3, it's 5, 4 at least, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. And you see there are only 3 different diminished chords, because when you do this one, if you came up a semitone with each finger, then when you get to here, that's just an inversion of this, same notes. Now when it comes down, it's 5, so. And so on all the way down to middle C. Now on the left, where you started in your right hand on middle C, the left starts on the A below middle C. So say, if it hurts at all, you're doing it wrong, and stop, don't do it. Just wait and get proper training from a registered piano teacher that teaches the dead weight method. So it goes all the way up, hands together, and then it comes down. So I'll just show you, I'll put the iPad up into the piano just so that I can show you the what's happening when it sounds like, when it's hands together. So. Right up to thumb on the A above middle C in the left, and thumb on the C above middle C in the right. Now when it it comes down, it's the fives played together. So the 5 is repeating on every note, like B flat, B flat, B flat, and G, 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 and you just come down the diminished 7th notes. So the right is going, and the left is going, so together. So on, right down to the middle C. So I hope that gives you some ideas on that exercise. It's not a difficult one as far as the names of the notes are concerned. It's just a matter of clarity and using the wrist, because it's a wrist exercise. Anyway, I hope that gives you some ideas. Have a good night. Bye-bye.